Ever wondered how many people it takes to run a software company that helps thousands of home service businesses manage their day-to-day operations? I mean, we've all used apps and software, but have you ever stopped to think about the army of people behind the scenes making it all happen? Today, we're diving into the world of Housecall Pro to answer one burning question. How many people actually work there? Let's start with the obvious. Housecall Pro isn't your average small-time operation. They're a big deal in the home service industry. They've got software that helps plumbers, electricians, HVAC technicians, and even house cleaners run their businesses more smoothly. But how big is the team that makes this magic happen? You might think, okay, it's a software company. There's probably a bunch of developers, some salespeople, and maybe a few customer support people. And you'd be right, but that's just scratching the surface. To truly understand the scale of Housecall Pro, we need to look beyond the obvious roles. There are, of course, the tech wizards, the developers, engineers, and IT folks. These are the brains behind the operation, constantly coding, testing, and updating the software. But then, there's the design team, making sure everything looks sleek and user-friendly. And let's not forget about the quality assurance team, making sure everything works as it should. On the business side, there's sales, marketing, and customer success. These teams are the front line, interacting with potential and existing customers. They're the ones closing deals, spreading the word, and making sure customers are happy. And behind the scenes, you've got finance, HR, legal, and operations, the backbone of any company. These teams handle everything from payroll to contracts, ensuring the business runs smoothly. But Housecall Pro is unique in one crucial way. They serve a specific industry, home services. So they need people who understand that world. There are industry experts on their team who know the challenges and opportunities faced by plumbers, electricians, and the like. This knowledge is essential to developing software that truly meets the needs of these businesses. So, to answer the question, how many people work at Housecall Pro? It's more than just a number. It's an ecosystem of talented individuals, each playing a vital role in helping home service businesses thrive. From developers to designers, salespeople to support specialists, and industry experts to financial wizards, it takes a village to build a platform like Housecall Pro. Now, while I couldn't find the exact up-to-date employee count for you, I can tell you this. It's a significant number. And it's a number that's likely growing as Housecall Pro continues to expand and innovate. With that said, thanks for watching.